Good morning, this is the ExactTrades.com Shakers Report for September 13th, 2011. We're taking a look here at the SPY. You can see in yesterday's session we actually gapped down into support level, sold off into that 114. We did have a rally off the open, then we followed by the selling into the 114, and then we had a bounce late in the day to close higher for the day. Actually going to look for a continuation up today off of yesterday's rally late. Watch for this 116.85 area. Coming up into 117 and then could hit 118. Going to find some resistance around 118.40 to 118.75. So some areas to watch, but I do think that we could hold off the bottoms here. If we do get some selling, watch this 114. See if we break that. Could have lower lows below that 114 and eventually come down in this 112.50 area. And then 112 and then this 110.20 area would be the final support. So let's go ahead and look at today's trades. Okay, first up we have GMCR. Had a strong day yesterday. Actually had gapped down and then rallied for most of the day to close up near the 52-week high. We have resistance here right under 111. So right here. We're actually going to want to take this long over 111.55. We have some previous resistance here. So we're going to take it long here at 111.55. First profit target is going to be 112.66. Right about there. Second profit target is going to be 113.77. So right about there. Take a little bit more off. Then I would trail a stop. Watch it at 114. Could find a little bit of resistance. And then just trail 1% stop into possibly 115 area. Next we have SO. Had the strong rally late in the day. Have resistance level here at about 41.60. Going to look to take this long over 41.67. So wait for a solid break of the resistance. 67. Right about there, take it long. First profit target is going to be 42.08. Second profit target is going to be 42.49. And then trail the stop past 42.50. Next up we have VRUS. Taking a look at the daily chart, you can see the 52-week high here. Resistance level was set yesterday. It's a session high. We're going to look for a continuation up. Take this long over 79.42. So just over the break. Right about there, take it long. First profit target is going to be 80.21. Now watch it at 80. Could find some resistance there. You might want to take a little bit of profit early or wait for the break of 80. You have a couple options on that. Second profit target is going to be at 81. So right about there, and then I would trail the stop up into 82. And now we're looking at ULTA. This was on the report yesterday for continuation move up. We had a nice day on this. We're going to look for another move. Going to take this long over 71.55. So right about there, take it long. First profit target is going to be 72.26. Second profit target is going to be 72.98. So just under 73. Take a little bit more off. And then I would trail the stop up into 74. Now we're looking at ALV. See the support level here. Right around 48.26. Going to wait for that break of 48 before I take it short. Going to take it short at 47.96. So right about there, take it short. First profit target is going to be 47.49. Second profit target is going to be 47.02. And then I would trail a stop. Watch it at 47, see if it can break that, and I would trail a stop down into 46 area right here. Next we have ITT. Did have a little bit of a rally late to follow the market, but still looking pretty weak. Support's just over this 42 area. Going to look to take this short under 41.95. So right about there. First profit target's 41.54. Second profit target's 41.13. Watch it at 41. Could show some support, and then I would trail the stop down into 40. If it comes down into 40 with a strong move down, you can look for a long bounce off of 40. Might be able to get a good 2% on a bounce. I would trade a smaller position on this ITT long off of 40 depending on what the market's doing. Next up we have LUV. Support is at 779, so right about there. Going to look to break that support level and take this short under 777. First profit target is going to be at 770, and then 70.63, and then I would trail a stop down into 750. Next up we have SLXP. Support's at 26.45, so right there. Going to look to take this short under 26.36, so right about there. Take it short. First profit target is going to be 26.10. Second profit target is going to be 25.84. Then I would trail a stop into 25.50 and possibly 25. SLXP is another one that if we do get a strong break and selling down into 25, I may look for a strong bounce off of 25. Could be good for that 2%, 2.5% off the bottom. So those are the trades for today. Good luck to everyone, and we'll see you back here tomorrow.